I have 3 very large trees in my backyard and hedges around the front of my porch, all of which are infested with honeydew flying bugs. They are so bad that I can hardly sit on my deck because of them flying around and the black sticky substance which covers my lawn furniture, tables, and deck. This year was worse than I've ever seen. They are so small that I don't think I could get a picture of them. They look like white flies. Is there something I could use to control or discourage them? I have to hose everything down almost daily. Please help. This is Maryland. Mr. D, what do you think about that?
Might very well be whiteflies.
Could be.
Could be. If it looks like whiteflies, and sooty mold grows on the honeydew that's secreted by whiteflies, and so she may very well have diagnosed her problem. Yeah. We have a really, really good publication, University of Tennessee, Whiteflies and Ornamentals, that I suggest that take a look at. It shows the life cycle of the whitefly, and it lists several things that you can do. Washing will do a good job of removing the sooty mold. You can put even some detergent in a hose-end sprayer and remove the sooty mold, but that is basically treating the symptom of a problem. For residential use outdoors, according to this fact sheet, cyfluthrin, insecticidal soap, horticultural oil, various brand names, some of the pyrethrins, imidacloprid, in combinations, imidacloprid plus cyfluthrin. Then there's some systemic products that will give you some relief.
Some relief.
Mm-hmm. I would like to see a picture
Yeah.
of the trees that and bushes
hedges. Yeah.
that she's talking about, so I know what kind of plant it is, because depending on what type of plant it is, we might be able to find out what kind of bug it is, because if it was like some type of sugarberry, hackberry type plant, there's a what is it, that woolly aphid, I mean,
there are a lot of insects that secrete honeydew.
There are. So I would like to have seen a picture of the actual plant, so maybe we could, know exactly
the woolly
what
aphids
kind.
do fly, and they look like snowflakes.
Yes, they do.
Right, and secrete honeydew. So yeah, if we knew it, the trees and hedges were, it would help get narrow it down for sure.
True.
But the same insecticides that he was talking about and the practices with the horticulture oils and stuff will still, it will get all of those type of things. So, they all work.
Yeah, they work.
Now try to catch one of them bugs too.
Try to catch them.
You can identify that too.
That would help. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.